If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, lost, or constantly chasing happiness, this philosophy might just change your life. It did for me. Let me know which Stoic truth hits you the hardest. Truth 1. You control your mind, not the world. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. We spend so much time trying to fix what's outside of us, our jobs, relationships, routines, but the real battlefield is within. The only true power you'll ever have is over how you think. And once you master that, no one can touch your peace. Truth 2. You are mortal, and that's liberating. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Marcus Aurelius. Most people live as if they'll never die. They delay dreams, postpone healing. But when you truly embrace your mortality, life becomes urgent and beautiful. Every breath, a gift. Every moment, an opportunity. Truth 3. Pain is your teacher, not your enemy. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Marcus Aurelius. Suffering teaches you what ease never can. Every heartbreak, every setback, they reveal your limits and invite you to go beyond. Don't run from pain, learn from it. Truth 4. Detachment brings peace. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Epictetus. Letting go doesn't mean not caring. It means caring wisely. When you stop trying to control outcomes or cling to people, life becomes lighter. Peace isn't in having more, it's in needing less. Truth 5. Character is everything. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Reputation fades, looks fade, even achievements fade. But who you are, the virtues you practice in silence, that is your legacy. You don't need to say you're good. Let your life prove it. Stoicism didn't give me all the answers, but it gave me the right questions, and that was enough to change everything. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to EchoVerse for more, and tell me, which of these truths hit you the hardest?